Understanding ego trip, unraveling its meaning in English. Hello and welcome, everyone. In today's video, we're going to dive into an interesting English phrase, ego trip. You might have heard it in movies, read it in books, or encountered it in daily conversations. This phrase is not just about understanding the words but also the context in which it is used. So, let's explore what ego trip really means and how you can use it in your English conversations. Ego trip is a phrase that combines two words, ego and trip. Individually, ego refers to a person's sense of self-esteem or self-importance. On the other hand, trip, in this context, doesn't mean a journey or travel. It's more about a person's behavior or experience. So, when these two words come together as ego trip, they describe a situation where someone is excessively focused on their own self-importance, abilities, or interests. It's like taking a metaphorical journey into one's own ego. To help you understand better, let's see some examples of how ego trip can be used in sentences. 1. He's on an ego trip, always talking about his achievements and never listening to others. 2. Her decision to take the lead role in every project seems more like an ego trip than teamwork. 3. The celebrity's constant need for attention seemed like a never-ending ego trip. Notice how in each example, ego trip is used to convey a sense of self-centeredness or arrogance. Ego trip can be used in various contexts. 1. Social situations, describing someone who dominates conversations or seeks attention. 2. Workplace, referencing a colleague or boss who makes decisions based on personal pride rather than team benefit. 3. In media and pop culture, describing celebrities or public figures who exhibit narcissistic behaviors. It's important to remember that ego trip often carries a negative connotation and should be used carefully. Understanding synonyms can help you better grasp the meaning and use of ego trip. Here are a few: self-indulgence, narcissism, vanity play, arrogance display. Each of these can be used in similar contexts but might carry slight variations in meaning. I hope this video has helped you understand what ego trip means and how you can use it in your English conversations. Remember, language is not just about words. It's also about culture, emotion, and context. Keep practicing, and don't forget to enjoy your English learning journey. See you in the next video.